Welcome to our channel Home Decor USA. Step into the epitome of contemporary elegance with a modern living room that transcends the ordinary. Clean lines, cutting-edge technology, and sumptuous comfort converge in a symphony of sophistication. Picture sleek furniture adorned in neutral tones, seamlessly integrated smart devices, and a carefully curated palette that breathes life into the space. This is more than a room, it's a canvas of modern living, where style meets substance. Welcome to a realm where every element harmonizes, creating a sanctuary where form and function dance in unison. Your modern living room adventure awaits, promising a journey into the heart of contemporary luxury. Modern living rooms embody a fusion of sleek design, technological integration, and comfort, creating spaces that reflect the contemporary lifestyle. Hallmark of a modern living room is often characterized by clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and a focus on functionality in terms of furniture. Modern living rooms often showcase a mix of materials like glass, metal, and leather, contributing to a chic and sophisticated atmosphere. The sofa, its central piece, is typically low profile with simple yet stylish designs. It often comes in neutral colors, allowing other elements in the room to stand out. Comfort is not sacrificed, however, as modern sofas frequently incorporate plush cushions and ergonomic features. A prominent feature in modern living rooms is the use of technology to enhance the overall experience. Large flat-screen televisions are often mounted on the wall, seamlessly integrated into the design. Surround sound systems and smart home devices further contribute to high-tech ambience, allowing residents to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with the touch of a button. The color palette in modern living rooms tends to gravitate towards neutrals such as whites, grays, and blacks. Clean and timeless look. Accent colors are introduced through carefully chosen accessories like throw pillows, artwork, or statement furniture pieces. This approach not only maintains a sense of simplicity but also provides flexibility for residents to update the room's aesthetic without a major overhaul. Flooring in modern living rooms commonly features hardwood, laminate, or polished concrete for a sleek and easy to maintain surface. Airy rugs with geometric patterns or bold colors can be strategically placed to add warmth and visual interest to the space. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern living room design. Large windows are favored to allow natural